Hey guys, it's Tammy. Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be recreating the purple cut crease look that I had in my makeup obsession video. So many of you guys said you love that look and you couldn't stop looking at it. So I thought I would recreate it for you guys. It's super easy. It's actually like 2 or 3 shades. So because if I only did the eyeshadow look, it would literally be a 2-minute video. I thought I would make it a full face tutorial. So let's just go ahead and get started. So for foundation today, I'm going to use my new favorite foundation. Honestly, guys, this is my favorite NARS foundation. I never really had a favorite. Everyone was like team sheer glow, team natural radiant. I was like, they're both a little bit too dewy, a little bit too glowy for my skin type, but this absolute banger. Okay, long wearing, soft matte finish, not drying but still matte, absolutely flawless on the face, full coverage, like you need the smallest amount and it spreads beautifully. Oh guys, I'm obsessed. Just for full disclosure, this is not sponsored, but they did send it to me early so that I can test it out for a couple of weeks and let them know if I want to work on a sponsorship with them, which I am going ahead with, but that's for Instagram sponsorship. There's no obligation to post it on YouTube, so this is just me organically telling you that this bangs. Okay, so I'm gonna go in with the shade Caracas. I think that's how you say it, Caracas, medium deep 3.3, and you guys will see just how beautiful this coverage is. And it's so lightweight on the face. They claim it to be 16 hours. I haven't worn it for 16 hours, but I've definitely worn it like on nights out, dinner and drinks with the girls type of nights, you know, which are coming to an end because we're going into a second lockdown, but let's not think about that. I've realized that I like to go a little bit darker on my foundation and then brighter with my concealer, and it all kind of balances out in the end. But if I go with a foundation that kind of matches me perfectly, once I've gone in with my lighter concealer, it just becomes overall too light. So yeah, I just like going in with a foundation not too crazy dark, but a little bit darker than my skin tone. So yeah, if you do like NARS foundations but you find that the other ones don't last that long on your oily skin, this is definitely the one for you. If you have dry skin, I'm not too sure. It's not drying, but it definitely is a little bit more matte than the others, of course. So for concealer, I'm going in with the Jouer Essential High Coverage Concealer in the shade Rich Ginger. I haven't used this in a while. I've just been using my Pat McGrath and my Hourglass, and I've been neglecting this. I remember I used to love this, so I'm just going to use it today, and I'm going to blend that in. My kids are actually off school this week because they have a few cases of corona at their school, so they've decided to shut down for safety. So they are doing online learning for like half an hour out of the day, and then the rest of the day I have to be teacher. So we get like these worksheets that we do every day. It's only day 1. So far it's been good. We've done English, we've done maths, we've done PE, so yeah. But now it's like 3 p.m, so we are done for today. If there's one profession that I never wanted to be, it was a teacher. But yet, here I am. 2020 is really bringing it all out of us, isn't it? But look how flawless this base is. If you have dry skin, you wouldn't need to set this at all because it just looks super skin-like but still matte, not too glowy, radiant. Okay, so quickly gonna set that with the Huda Beauty Easy Bake Powder in Banana Bread. Just gonna dab that underneath my eyes. Oh, that scared me. So let's go ahead and move on to the eyes. So in that look, I used the KALEIDOS Futurism 6 Lunar Lavender palette, which looks like this. And then these are the shades on the inside. So all I used was these 3 shades right here. This one to cut the crease, this one all over the eye, and then this one on the inner corner. So yeah, what I did is start with the matte dark purple, this one here, and I took it on a very like thin angled brush, almost something you would use to fill in your eyebrows or something. I'm gonna lightly prime my lids with a little bit of the P. Louise base, but nothing too crazy because I don't need that much primer, just so we have like a tacky base. So yeah, taking that thin brush and a little bit of the purple, I'm gonna start by creating a wing, and then I'll create the crease to kind of connect to it. So I start on the outer edge and just stamp on that color, and then I stamp it up towards the end of my brow like that. You just want to lay down the color first, and then you can kind of thicken it if you want after. And then going through the crease, I'm just going to connect to that line. When I was creating this look, I just wanted something that's like quick and editorial. If you're not comfortable just going for it, you can easily take like a white crayon eyeliner or like a skin tone type of color and just map out the shape before you go in with the eyeshadow. So I'm just gonna kind of take it from the inner corner and connect it to that middle section now. Okay, wait, that's gone a bit wrong. Wait, what happened there? See, even I make mistakes, guys. It's not a big deal. We can just literally wipe it off and start again. No biggie.
I can't wait for the delicious food that you've made.
Yeah, you're gonna love it. Yeah, it's called air. So yeah, I'm just stamping that to the inner corner, and that is basically it. The difficult part is obviously lining it up to the other eye so that they kind of look similar. They're never going to come out exactly identical, I mean, unless you're really skilled and you know, you just have a very steady hand, but most of the time, 99% of the time, it's going to be a little bit off, okay? And it's totally fine, it's just makeup. So anyways, I'm going to finish up this eye with you and then I'll do this one off camera. So I went in with this gorgeous duochrome purple blue shade right here. I didn't wet it, but I think you would, because it's kind of like a chunky shimmer. I think it would be good if it was wet. And then I literally just put this color all over the lid. How stunning is this color? Depending on the angle you look at it, it either looks blue or purple. It's like an ultraviolet type of shade. And the beautiful thing with this eye look is you can do it with whatever color you want. You can do it with pinks, you can do it with gold, brown, any color, blue, anything, green. If you get it on top of the matte purple eyeshadow, that's totally fine as well. And then on the inner corner, I went in with the kind of pinky lilac purple shimmer. Now for the lower lash line, I took the Makeup Obsession X Tiffany kohl eyeliner in the shade Cocktail, I think it's called. It's the purple anyway, and I just went ahead and lined my waterline and also the lower lash line, and this matches the purple in the crease perfectly. Then I went back into the matte purple that we used in the crease and used this on the lower lash line. Kind of set that liner but also buff it out. And yeah, that is basically it, guys. Super easy, but really statement, effective, editorial. I'm gonna go ahead, put lashes on, well, complete the other eye and then put lashes on, and then I'll come back so we can finish up the face. Okay, so the other eye is done and lashes are on. These are lashes from my brand, MAKEUPBYTAMMI.com, in the style Ava. So yeah, they're available on my website. Now for bronzer, I'm gonna go into the Cara Beauty Bronze Goddess palette and I'm gonna mix these two shades here. I was just gonna use my palette, but I thought we need some variety on this channel, okay? So we're gonna use this today. Guys, this foundation, this base, I really wish you guys could see it in real life. It's just so smooth. And last but not least, I'm gonna go in with lips. I've pulled out these two lip products which I haven't used in a while. So we have the Moulac lip liner in the shade Brownie. Oh, this is an eye pencil, but hey ho, just gonna use it as a lip liner. I mean, if it's gentle enough to go inside your eye, I'm sure it can go around your lips, I hope. And then I'm taking the MAC Tiana Taylor. I have no idea if this is still available. This is the lip gloss in the shade Save Your Tears Honey. And I just picked it out because it was purple, so I thought it would go really nice with the look. Kind of giving y'all Space Girl vibes today. So yeah, that is it, guys. This is the look. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. Thank you for requesting it. If you ever see me wearing a look that you want me to do a tutorial for, let me know and I can do that for you. I film nearly every look that I do, so definitely check my Instagram. Make sure you follow me over there because I upload content all the time. So I've just quickly turned my lights on so you guys can see the true reflectiveness of this eyeshadow. Look how gorgeous it is. So yeah, give this video a thumbs up, make sure you're subscribed, and I'll catch you guys in my next one. Take care, bye.